Hey guys, Captain Byron here with Starling Marine. Today we're here at the Spring Into Boating event. We had a great turnout for this event. What we're really trying to accomplish today, and we've done a successful job so far, we've gotten really good reviews thus far. We're really integrating this program into the new to area boaters, new to the region, and people that maybe own a boat and don't know how to use it, or they don't know how to navigate it, or they don't know how to fish it. So we have a bunch of great captains here, me being one of them, speaking about a holistic view of the fishing, boating around this area to all of these new boaters that have come out to see us today at Starling Marine.
Captain Geary. I own and operate Reely Livin charters here in Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. We offer inshore and nearshore fishing trips year-round. Everything from redfish and speckled trout in the backwaters to Spanish mackerel, false albacore, everything you can think of right off the beach.
Captain Walker Whitley. I own and operate Bogue Banks Expeditions, also out of Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. We run eco tours and fishing charters. Today I'm going to be talking specifically about eco tours. Just kind of letting everybody know what we have to offer in the Crystal Coast area, and just really looking forward to talking to y'all.
Hey, I'm Captain Koltun. I'm a CTO captain, retired U.S. Coast Guard, and I own a company called Maritime Training Professionals that does on-the-water training, and we're here today instructing a portion of our local boaters course.
And I'm Bobby Shultz. I was a CTO captain for 5 years. I carry a 100-ton master nearshore captain's license. We wrote this course a few years ago as a collaboration between CTO and Carteret Community College, and it's meant to be an introduction to the local Crystal Coast area, the specific sandbars, some of the specific routes, channels, points of interest, and it's really meant to be a guide that a new boater can buy a new boat and step into our area and learn our very unique area and learn some spots that they can take their family on a day trip. They can go fishing and really avoid some of the trouble spots and be safe and a more confident boater.
I think a lot of people initially have an idea in their head that they're going to leave the dock, put the throttle down, and be able to just have a great day on the water and enjoy themselves. And we do live in a very beautiful area with great boating, but it's super complicated. And we try to mitigate some of the problems people run into by doing this, and then also doing on-the-water training.
And if you've missed today's event, don't sweat it, because we have more things in the works. We'll have more classes like this here, hosted in our beautiful showroom here, all right off of Rendell Street. We're in the grace of God, because we don't have to deal with the rain that's pouring outside today. So it allows us to have the opportunity for me to bring people here to educate them further about using their vessels correctly, getting these new boaters and people that maybe have graduated from this class on. So stay tuned. We'll have more classes in the works, and we're really looking forward to having you guys here again.